Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, and that is where the red line up here is coming from, which represents the key level of resistance at 860. Nothing has changed in regard to that after today's price movement. I mean, the price never even really got that close to it, but that doesn't change the fact that, I mean, it still is the overall level of resistance, but it's really helping to kind of take shape of this nice little pattern here that's formed. And I don't want to use the trend line for the bottom of the pattern, so you'll have to be a little bit creative here with your imagination. But instead of using a trend line for, the bottom portion of this pattern, let's just use that moving average right there, the purple line, which on my chart represents the 50-period simple moving average. So to use that and just to kind of draw up the pattern as a whole, we have a situation where this trend line here, like I said, working its way higher, and then we have this resistance trend line right there. So this is what I would call an ascending triangle pattern, and that is a bullish pattern. Now, before you rush and throw your kids' college tuition money into it, just because there's a bullish pattern that forms does not mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going higher. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bigger movement to the upside? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all. But again, just because there's a bullish pattern doesn't mean the price is for sure going upwards. But it is definitely a pattern that, assuming you have a good solid understanding of charts and you use charts, it's not exactly something that's hard to see. And I make that point because when there's a pattern that's very transparent, very easy to see, then a lot of people see it, right? And the more people that see it are going to be wondering the same things. And the more people that are wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have right here. A lot of people are going to be wondering, okay, yeah, the price maintained above there. Now it's working its way upwards. Can it get the break of 860? Now, the one dynamic that is very important is that purple line, the 50 period, because if the price rolls back over, it crashes down through there, well, then that pretty much wipes away everything that I've been talking about. So, I mean, that purple line, very important for those reasons. But as of right now, especially that last 30 minutes, nice little hammer candle doji, that all occurred on some good solid volume. So we'll see if this is any sort of leading indicator to get the price to make another move up to 860. But Thursday looking like it'll be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.